Hi, welcome to Cynthia Global Travelers Realtor Tips, Tricks, Words, and Gifts for the month of December. I'm looking forward to spending the month with you and teaching you all kinds of new things and giving you gifts, which is what December is all about. So please stay with us. Once you get your word or your tip, then at the end, just like us and subscribe, and you'll continue to get the new words updated daily. On the 26th of December, Cynthia's Realtor word for thee is walkthrough. This refers to the final inspection of a home before closing. Buyers should always complete a final walkthrough with their real estate agent to make sure any agreement to make repairs on the property has been fulfilled before the closing papers are signed. Because if you don't do it before, it might be too late after. Hey, I'm wearing this silly costume. The least you can do is hit subscribe below. Join me for the rest of the videos.